It's no secret that all of us here at MosaLingua love learning languages, but that doesn't mean we don't face some bumpy roads from time to time. So if you have ever struggled to learn a new language, rest assured you are not alone. Keep watching and you'll see that we have all been there, even those of us who have chosen language learning as our career. Before we get started, have you subscribed to our channel yet? If you haven't, click the big button down below so that you won't miss out on any of our videos with the best hacks and tips for language learning. And if you're watching this video on Facebook or any other social media platform, be sure to like and follow our page. I'd like to start by sharing some of my own difficulties. My name is Abby and I'm your English teacher here at MosaLingua. In case you didn't know, I'm also a passionate language learner. I've been learning French for years now, and I'm happy to say that I've reached near fluency. But that's just the problem. At the moment, I'm struggling with the fact that the better and better you get at a language, the slower and slower your progress is. I often get discouraged because I feel like I have plateaued. This feeling is so common, and so many learners experience it, that it even has a name. The intermediate plateau. Even though I know I'm learning new things often, my progress is really slow. I want to keep getting better, but it takes more work to make smaller improvements. Unlike when you first start learning a new language and you can easily double the amount you know in just a few days. To combat this feeling, I'm challenging myself to learn more idiomatic expressions so that I can try to bring my conversation skills closer to a native speaker level. I also think that I'll start learning a brand new language soon, just so that I can feel the thrill of racking up tons of vocab super quickly. But that leads me to another one of my language dilemmas. There are so many cool languages out there that I can't decide which one to learn next.
Hi, this is Lizzie from MosaLingua. Some time ago, I have launched myself the challenge of learning German. I have learned a decent amount of vocab and started using sentences that will certainly be helpful the next time I visit a German-speaking country. So, let me start by saying that to me, this is already amazing because when it comes to this language, I never thought I could do any better than Eingang and Ausgang. Two words that I somehow memorized once, going in and out of a McDonald's in Germany. Today, that I have taken the first steps, I'm really struggling to get past the beginner stage and to be able to build more complex sentences about my daily tasks. Unfortunately, German sentence structure follows a logic that is completely new to me and not similar to any other language I can speak. Let me give you an example. Let's take a simple sentence in English. I can't find the way. In German, this would be Ich kann den Weg nicht finden. Literally, I can the way not find. See what I mean? So now, to motivate me to move forward, I keep telling myself that once I master this, I will be able to talk not only to German people, but also maybe to Master Yoda. Because right now, German sentences still sound quite a bit like his language to me.
Hi, Cedric here. I must say I faced the same issues as Lizzie in German, but I somehow managed to get this Yoda speak with some regular practice. My main problem comes from listening and understanding a new language. I don't have much trouble speaking, but paying attention is a different story. It always happens this way. My attention gets stuck on some expression and suddenly I lose a thread. I find it hard to let go of words or expression that I don't understand. That's why I get confused while watching foreign language movies or having conversations with native speakers. Besides, I must confess, I do get easily frustrated when I cannot understand the conversation over time, and I mean really frustrated. Still, I know from experience that this problem will fade away with time and practice. So to ease the frustration and stay motivated, I try to keep track of my progress and come back to videos that I watched. Then I compare what I understood the first time to what I understand now. That's how I know that I have actually made progress. There is nothing like looking back and appreciating the progress you've made.
Hi guys, Lucas here. If I had to pick one language that has been difficult for me to learn, it would definitely be English. When I was in my 20s, speaking English like I'm doing right now was just a dream. Despite 12 years of traditional language classes at school, I was not capable of speaking. And I felt very frustrated when traveling, especially when I met people who could speak English fluently. I was convinced that that was the problem and that I was not gifted at languages. So my message today is that everyone can learn a language. What I eventually found out was that the problem was not me, but the method and the approach I was using. If you are in this situation, I really understand you and I know it's painful. So don't give up. I know it's hard, but everyone can do it, including you. Before leaving you, I'd like to invite you to join our language community. Tons of subscribers are already taking advantage of the great tips and hacks that our team of language lovers share. So join us and start improving your language skills today. All you have to do is subscribe and turn on your notifications so you don't miss out any of our videos. And if you're watching this video on Facebook, Instagram, or our other social media networks, then like or follow us. You can also click on the links below or on the screen itself to get started right away. Thanks a lot for watching. See you soon.